Good day, guys. So today we are going to talk about important savings accounts that you should have even if you're on a budget. So the first savings fund you need is an emergency fund. Now, every single month you budget a little bit till you get up to about £1,000 if you think that will be enough to cover any eventualities that you might end up with. So that fund is there to help you if your car breaks down, your tires, or anything that happens as an emergency, which helps you to make sure that if something goes wrong, you don't have to take out another loan or max out your credit card. So your second savings account that you need, I call like the fun saver, because that's the money you put away every single month for any fun days out, holidays you want to go on. So it's up to you how much you want to put away, but have a look at least £20 a month to try and put away for that. So at least you can have a nice day out, or maybe if you save long enough, have a nice short holiday away. Go to the seaside where it's not expensive and don't have too far to travel, but it's still getting away from the house and still a holiday. The third account you need is your future savers account. Now for this account, you want to open an account and just pay money into it every single month. Don't look at it too often. Have a set amount of 30 quid, pay it in. If there's any extra money you've got throughout the month, just keep adding to it any extra savings you've made on things so that it keeps on growing a lot faster than you think. But don't look at it too often, because if you see there's £2,000, you might end up using it and you don't want to do that. Now for this account, you want to have a look at where you can find great rates, because you don't really want to get the, what do we get at the moment? The 0.6% interest, because this account you want to try and keep it at inflation, because if inflation is a lot higher, then as the time goes on, that money becomes worthless, not worthless, but it's not worth as much as the day you put it in. So it's always worth having a look, where can you find above average interest rate where it's higher than the inflation or at least equal. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and ring the bell so that you will get a notification of when I release my next video. For any questions or topics request, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally.